Hey kids, let's begin with the numericals of space mission, and here we have our first question. The question goes like this: if a mass of the planet is 8 times the mass of the earth. So let's have the given information here. So what is given? Given is mass of the planet is 8 times mass of the earth. So that's easy, right? Again, radius of that planet is twice that of the earth, right? And we have to find out escape velocity for that planet. So formula for escape velocity is equals to square root of 2 times gm upon r, right? So let's solve it. So what is escape velocity for earth, right? Escape velocity for earth will be square root of 2 times g mass of earth upon radius of earth, and escape velocity for that planet will be equal to square root of 2 times g into mass of the planet upon radius of the planet. So what we'll do is escape velocity for planet is 2 times g mass of the planet. Okay, so what is mass of the planet? Mass of the planet is 8 times mass of earth upon radius of the planet is 2 times radius of earth. It's 2 and 2, right? Okay, so what is 8? 8 is 2 into 2 into 2, right? Okay, so if we get the square root of this, okay, if we get the square root of this, so out of these two, 1 2 comes out and 1 2 remains, right? So Vp equals to 2 times gme upon re. What is this value? Isn't it this? So if this is 1, we can replace it with 2 times velocity of escape velocity for earth from 1, right? Okay, so this is an important thing which we got here. Escape velocity for the planet is 2 times escape velocity for earth, right? And do we know what is the escape velocity for earth? Do we know? Yes, we know. Okay, so escape velocity for planet equals to 2 times escape velocity for earth, which is approximately 11.2 kilometer per second. This is in your textbook, right? Okay, we need to learn these important values. Okay, so if this is the case, what is the escape velocity for the planet? 2 times 11.2, 22.4 kilometer per second. This is it. This is your answer. Okay, don't forget to write the final answer. That escape velocity for the planet is 22.4 kilometer per second. Okay, so this is easy. We can solve easily these problems if we know a little bit of maths, right? Okay, so keep solving, do your best. Bye bye.